Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. I know I look crazy. I look rough. Ooh, child. But I wanted to do this video and show you guys, one, how I kind of style my hair after a fresh cut. So this is my cut. I went and got a cut Thursday. I went and got my hair cut Thursday. So this is what it looks like. And then, oh, you can see the back. So that's my cut. And typically what I do after I get a haircut is I color my hair, wash it, deep condition it, and style it however I'm gonna style it. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. And what I'm gonna be doing is trying the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Mousse, as well as the Almond and Avocado Moisture Primer Pre-Styling Whip. I got both of these in my Cocoa Teak box for November, so I want to try them, see how it works with my hair, and let you guys know what I think. So first things first, I'm going to color my hair, and the color that I'm using is my Cream of Nature Lightest Blonde. So that's that. I'm not going to color my hair on camera for the sake of time, and I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead, color my hair, and I will be right back. I got about 10 minutes or so left before I finish letting my hair process. Right now it's looking real slim shady-ish, if you could tell. But that's fine. We're going to work it out. We're going to make it work. I want to show y'all real quick what I use to shampoo my color out my hair, or what I use to wash my hair with when I color. So as I'm rinsing out the color, I am going to go in with some Neutralizing Shampoo. Whenever I use a chemical product on my hair, I always use the Neutralizer Shampoo. If you've had a relaxer anytime in your life, you know what this neutralizer is. It restores the pH balance, helps to kind of let you know you got everything out your hair, and it says it leaves the hair clean, but we'll see about that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know what order, I'm going to use my shimmer lights to kind of knock out some of this yellow. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the Restore Me Lotta Body Milk and Honey Restore Me shampoo. I haven't used this in a while. This is a great moisturizer shampoo. It removes product buildup and helps makes hair manageable. And then I'm going to deep condition with the Restore Me conditioner. This is like a wash out or deep conditioner. It says you can keep it and process it for 10 or 15 minutes under a plastic cap. So that is what I am going to do with that. And then when I come back, we will be styling my hair. So I got a few more minutes. I probably won't wait the whole 10 minutes. I did sit under the dryer and just to show you. So when I color my hair, the thing that I focus on is making sure I color get the sides and the back. And as you can see, I got my shirt as well. I get the sides and the back, and then I get into my roots. I really don't do too much on the top. I kind of just let it blend in. But my main focus is my roots and the sides and back of my hair, so it can all be kind of even. And that's what it's looking like with the color. So I'm gonna wash it out, put the deep conditioner on. I'll show you what it looks like once I wash it out before I put the deep conditioner on. Now that I've shampooed my hair 50,011,000 times, this is what the color is looking like all over. Nice and even. And roots is colored, no dark roots, everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some deep conditioner in my hair. And for somebody who's saying you're doing a lot for that little hair, this little hair could still fall out. And I got color in it. So I really want to make sure that I'm taking whatever extra steps I can so that if anything, my hair don't be looking dry and raggedy with this color in it, with this blonde. So I'm going to put some deep conditioner in it and just rub that all over my head like so. And I'm going to put a plastic cap on. And I'm going to actually sit under the dryer with it so that this conditioner can really penetrate, because my hair has been feeling dry lately. And yeah, I like the smell of this. I like the way this smells. Even the shampoo smells good. So that's cool. But I'm going to put my plastic cap on, sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes or until I get tired of sitting under the dryer. Probably don't have to sit that long because my hair is short. So if I sit under there probably 10 minutes, it'll probably dry. So I'm going to sit under there for a little bit just to let some heat penetrate this conditioner. Wash it out, and then it'll be time to style it. Now it's time for the part that y'all really want to see, and that is me styling my hair with the Design Essential Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Curling Mousse and the Moisture Primer Pre-Styling Whip. I'm still not 100% sure what the point or purpose of this is. It just basically says it strengthens strands before styling, ideal for curly coil strands. It's a moisturizing lightweight cream. I did use this before, but not with this. I know it's this juicy. This is the kind of texture of it. So I'm taking it from the cap, and I'm just gonna put this on my hair. I've already put some leave-in conditioner in my hair and a little oil, you know, because why? I don't want my hair dry. I have to keep telling y'all this. I keep talking about why I put all this stuff in my hair. I don't want my hair dry. I don't care how short it is. And since I'm styling the way I style now, I do move the top of my hair in a forward motion like so. Just putting it all over my hair, putting it in. I don't know how much or how little of this I'm supposed to use, but till I feel like I've used enough, I'm gonna keep on going. We're gonna do that like so. Now it is time for this curling mousse. Now, what I wanted to do, I'm not looking for a curl definition and all that other stuff. What I really want to see is if this will lay my hair down, if it will keep my hair laid down. That's what I'm looking for. So I really want this to be more of a like a setting mousse or setting product, more so than a curling product. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in like so. Okay, a few more pumps. Just like you would if you was, you know, setting your hair for a wrap or something like that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna brush it, and I use a firm brush to brush my hair. Just want to make sure it's laid down. I don't do all the squiggly lines and all that. For some reason, my hair kind of curls and waves up around here, around my hairline on its own. So I don't really have to go in and do too much with that. And then also I want the shape of how my hair is cut on the sides to look. I do have a part in there. And y'all, I missed the spot. Oh, so aggravated with that. I missed the spot when I was coloring my hair, but it's fine. But mainly I just want to make sure everything is laid down I'm not doing finger waves or anything like that. Just letting the natural waves come in. And I would use some gel, but I want to see how this mousse works on its own. So that's pretty much that for that. And I'm just going to add some more. I probably didn't need that much, just to put it on top, just to kind of smooth everything down. Make sure everything is laying where it's supposed to lay. Ha ha ha. Okay. So far, so good. The real test would be what it look like once it lay down, once it dry. So this is what it's looking like wet. I don't sit under the dryer. No, ma'am, I've sat under the dryer enough already. So I don't sit under the dryer. I just tied down, and I finally broke down and bought a do-rag, y'all. I was refusing. I would not be sleeping in this. The only reason I bought this is because to tie my hair down when I'm styling it, because I figured it wouldn't be so thick as my scarf. So that's the only reason I would be using this. The only time I'm using this is when I'm tying my hair down after styling it. I don't even know how you're supposed to put this thing on, child. What am I doing? Stick that under there. Stick that there. So, all right, I'm going to let it dry, and I'll come back and show y'all what my hair looks like the final wazam. All right, I done got myself together, put my face together, put some clothes on, and this hair is laid, baby. Yes. So, what do I think of this Almond Avocado Curling Hands Mousse? I like it. I can say that when I took the little do-rag thing off, my hair had a lot of shine. My hair was laid down. I don't know if it was because of the combination of these two, but I had a lot of shine. My hair was laid down. My hair feels soft. As far as hold go, that I'm not sure. I will have to, wait a couple of days and see how it goes. So what hold means for me is when I get up in the morning or whenever I'm about to leave out, I do use this coconut oil hair polish serum, and I use a soft brush, and I just put it on my hair, and sometimes I will rub oil all through my hair. My hair does not have to lay down like this, and I just take my brush and brush it back down and tie it down or whatever I'm going to do. So for me, hold is, will it withstand that without just going completely frizzy or just getting, looking completely raggedy? That's for me is what hold is. So far, I am liking it. My hair feels soft. It doesn't feel dry. I will say it did seem like it took my hair longer to dry with this. I don't know if it's because of all the deep condition and everything like that I did, but it do seem like it took my hair longer to dry. I actually had to take my hair dryer and go over my hair like that because I'm trying to get out of here. So other than that though, I like these products. I love the way my hair turned out. I mean, I wasn't expecting for it to do anything else. This hairstyle is real simple. I don't have a lot of expectations when I do it. Only thing I wanted to do is lay down, and my hair is going to wave regardless because of my hair texture. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Little frog tried to come out. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.